Hello everyone. In this video, we will start from the string. Okay. So C++ strings are used to storing text or characters. For example, hello world is a string. A string is a variable contains a collection of characters surrounded by double quotes. Create a variable of type string and assign its value string greetings hello. To use strings, you must include an additional header file in the source code string library. Okay. So include the string library, include a string. Okay, so try it yourself. Let's see what happens here. So you see in the previous exercises we had this only this file. Now we have the string file as well, right? So using namespace std, this is the same for okay. So let's if we try here. Okay, so we have to include the file, the string, and now we have to define a string here. Greetings equals maybe, let's say hello, and now we have to see out. So I hope you got it, guys, right? uh, okay, so strings can contain multiple words, space and punctuations. Okay, multiple words, spaces and punctuations. Okay, so string greeting hello and welcome, see your greeting. Okay, so I think you understood this, guys, right? So that means, guys, we have to include the string file, right? C++ string concatenation. The plus operator can be used between strings and add them together to make a new string. This is called concatenation. Like string first name John, string last name Doe, string full name equal first name plus last name, see out full name. So I hope you got it, guys, right? In the example above, we added a space after first name or create a space between John and Doe on output. However, you could also add a space with quotes or these, right? So we can do in this. So if you want to space, add the space, you see in the first example we took in space here, right? We made in space here, but in this second example we don't have any space after the this double quotation. But after this plus we are making a double quotation here so that we get the proper output, right? Append. A string in C++ is actually an object which contains functions that can perform certain operations on strings. For example, you can also concatenate strings with append function. So first name this John, last name John, full name equals first name dot append last name. So this is how we can do as well, right? Okay, numbers and strings. C++ numbers and strings. Adding numbers and strings warning. C++ uses the plus operator for both addition and concatenation. Okay, numbers are added, strings are concatenated. If you add two numbers, the result would be a number like x equals 10, y equals 20, z equals x plus y. Okay, so that means this would give us 30, guys. So if you add two strings, the result will be string concatenation. If you if this 10 is this is not a number, this is string, right? So this would be 1020 altogether, you see. If you try to add a number to a string, an error occurs. String x equals 10, y equals 20. So this is a string and this is a number, so this you will get an error in this case, right? So if you see the exercise, what will be the result of the following code? X equals 10, y equals 5, z equals x plus 5. So it should be 10 plus 5, 15, right? Anyway, string length. So to get a length of a string, we use the length function. Example, a string text equal abcd. This is this a string, and see out the length of the text is text dot length. Okay, so you see here 26, right? All of the letters are here. So I hope you got it, guys, right? Okay, so you might see some C++ program that uses size function to get the length of a string. This is just an alias of length. It is completely up to you if you want to use length or size. Okay, so so if you want, you can also ask ChatGPT to understand details about length and